On the morning of June 6, 1944, the world witnessed an unprecedented military operation as Allied forces launched the invasion of Normandy, a pivotal moment in World War II that would decisively alter the course of history. Codenamed Operation Overlord, this massive undertaking required meticulous planning, with American, British, and Canadian forces coordinating land, sea, and air operations to break through German defenses along the French coastline. Months of preparation involved rigorous training, the design of specialized landing crafts, and the deployment of airborne troops behind enemy lines to secure key roads, bridges, and towns, disrupting German reinforcements and communication. As dawn broke, thousands of soldiers braved icy waters under relentless machine gun fire, artillery bombardments, and deadly obstacles strewn across the beaches. At Omaha Beach, the fiercest resistance was met, with American troops advancing inch by inch, facing entrenched German positions and suffering heavy casualties, yet demonstrating remarkable resilience and courage. Meanwhile, Utah Beach presented comparatively lighter opposition, allowing for a swifter inland advance and providing critical support to the broader offensive. The bravery of the frontline soldiers was mirrored by engineers and logisticians who constructed temporary mulberry harbors, laid fuel pipelines across the English Channel, and ensured a continuous flow of reinforcements and supplies, showcasing the extraordinary scale and complexity of Allied logistics. Intelligence operations were equally vital, particularly through campaigns like Operation Fortitude, which misled German commanders into expecting the main assault elsewhere, dispersing their forces and weakening defenses along the actual invasion sites. Beyond the immediate tactical challenges, soldiers endured harsh weather, treacherous terrain, and the constant threat of ambush, yet pressed forward, motivated by the promise of liberation for occupied nations. Securing the initial beachheads enabled the Allied advance inland, ultimately leading to the liberation of Paris by August 1944 and contributing significantly to the weakening of Nazi control in Western Europe. Operation Overlord highlighted not only the valor of soldiers, but also the power of strategic foresight, meticulous planning, and international cooperation, with air superiority, naval bombardment, and ground assaults carefully synchronized to maximize effectiveness. The human stories woven into this operation are profound. Soldiers risking everything to save comrades, leaders making split-second decisions under fire, and ordinary individuals performing extraordinary acts of courage and endurance. Historians continue to study Normandy as a model of combined arms warfare, emphasizing how deception, intelligence, and strategic planning worked hand in hand with human bravery to achieve victory. The psychological impact of the assault resonated across Europe, signaling to Axis powers and occupied populations alike that the momentum of the war had irrevocably shifted. Memorials, museums, and commemorative events today honor the sacrifices made, while military scholars analyze the operation's planning and execution to understand how complex operations can be successfully conducted under immense pressure. Some experts argue that the success of the Allied assault rested as much on careful deception and logistical mastery as on frontline bravery, while others emphasize that courage and determination under extreme adversity were the decisive factors. Together, these perspectives reveal the multifaceted nature of Operation Overlord, illustrating how strategy, preparation, and human resilience intertwined to change the course of history. Reflecting on Europe under fire, viewers are reminded of the immense stakes, extraordinary bravery, and coordinated efforts that defined this pivotal moment in World War II. And that's something worth remembering when you next consider the remarkable feats ordinary people can achieve when united by a shared purpose and faced with